The Supreme Court of India today directed SBI to submit all the details of electoral bonds, including their serial numbers, no later than by 5 p.m. on Thursday. This came after SBI's lawyer said the bank has no problems disclosing these serial numbers. He said the serial numbers were left out only because they were not mentioned in the original directive of the court.
SBI was required to disclose details of each, underline each electoral bond encashed by political parties, and to include inclusive of the date of encashment and the denomination of the electoral bond. Full stop. The above narration and a plain reading of paragraph 219 of the judgment dated 15 February 2024 indicates that SBI was required to submit all details, both in terms of the purchase and in terms of the receipt of contributions. Full stop. The expression to invert commas, include in both subparagraphs B and C clearly demonstrate that the inclusive part was regarded as illustrative and not exhaustive of the nature of the disclosure which was to be made by SBI. Let's stop. In other words, there's no manner of doubt that SBI is required to make a complete disclosure of all details in its possession. Full stop. This, we clarify, will include the alphanumeric number of and the serial number, if any, of the bonds which were purchased and redeemed. We direct that the Chairman and Managing Director of SBI shall file an affidavit on or before 5 p.m. on Wednesday, date Daldo.
Could we have one more day,
Thursday? Yes, certainly. 5 p.m. on Thursday, indicating that SBI has disclosed all details of the electoral bonds which were in its possession and custody, and that no details have been withheld from disclosure.
The hearing also saw some sparks flying between the central government's lawyer and Prashant Bhushan, who's representing the NGOs ADR and Common Cause.
Only a few of the political parties, the smaller regional political parties, some of them have disclosed.
He is not addressing your lordships, he is addressing somewhere else. Kindly hear him for some time. So that it comes, my lord, in the newspaper tomorrow, that Mr. Prashant Bhushan vehemently said this. That's the purpose.
The government lawyer said there is a witch hunt against the government and the corporates.
Now, my lord, the witch hunting has started, my lord, at some other level, my lord, not at the governmental level. Those before the court started giving press interviews, deliberately embarrassing the courts, my lord, and there is, my lord, a non-level playing field, my lord. On this side, nobody can rebut that. Neither government can do, nor state bank can do, nobody else can do. Thereafter, my lord, a barrage of social media posts, my lord, at least intended to cause embarrassment, started during these 2 days. And thereafter, my lord, now it's anybody's field. It's an open field. My lord, statistics, your lordships are aware, can be twisted in any manner the person wants. It's a matter of, my lord, intelligence of the reader to understand. Now, my lord, based upon the twisted and other statistics, my lord, any kind of posts are being made.
We are also the subject matter of comment on the social media and the press, but surely, as an institution, our shoulders are broad enough.
No, I'm saying, I'm not, my lord, for a second.
Our court has an institutional role to play in a polity which is governed by the Constitution and the rule of law.